Hey everyone, this is just a simple review opinion setup on a L3 racing intake for the 97 Ranger 2.3 liter. It is just one of those little eBay specials. I don't have to worry about smog, so I just grabbed it. Seemed a little better than stock. The mounting, as you can tell, there's no real simple way to mount it. I ended up just using the universal bracket, bending it, and then taking out the screw here and then screwing it into there, and then that screw there, and it keeps it from moving. The air filter does seem a little small, maybe cheap, but it'll do the job for now until I can clean my K&N. The aluminum does retain some heat. I did some temp readings. I went into town, came back, I had to do a couple things. At the filter, it was only about 87 degrees, but all the way up here, which is above the exhaust manifold, it got up to about 145. So, but all the way through, it was pretty cool, minus that little spot because of the fact that it's above the exhaust manifold. So it probably is heating up the air, which I don't care. As you're driving, air is being pushed underneath the car, so you're okay. The mounting, it's a universal bracket. You do have to make sure you line it up just right. It is a little tricky with the adapter for the mass airflow sensor, but it did mount up. It came with everything. The hose, I cut, it was a lot longer, so I cut it down. It came with the clamps, all the couplers, pretty much everything you see. Isn't too bad for 50 bucks. It wasn't supposed to be here until Friday, but I got it today, so it's kind of nice. It is a lot different though compared to the stock intake, which, you know, I'll show you over here. It sucked. It was cool, but for a little 2.3 liter, it probably doesn't matter. But it was just 50 bucks, so I wasn't too worried about it. It took about, once I laid it out and figured out how to get the bracket on, it only took about 20-30 minutes. It took longer to get the old intake out, but overall I'm impressed. I like it. Probably not gonna see any gains in anything else. There's a different, tone to my muffler. So, but yeah, you can see here, if anybody wants to get it, see how it's hooked up, how it's mounted up. There's not a lot of videos like this, so I decided to throw one out there for you guys. Yeah, so you can just see how it's mounted. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Leave any comments, opinions, anything like that on what's your thoughts, and have a good one.